Hey guys, welcome to TutorialGuru. Today we'll be learning how to update offline Google Maps on our phone, and now let's dive right in. Now to update offline Google Maps on our phone, first open up your Google Maps application. And after you have opened your Google Maps application on your phone, at the top right corner of the screen, you can see a profile picture icon available for us at the top right corner of the screen. Tap on your profile picture icon at the top right corner of the screen, and this kind of interface will appear where you can see the offline maps option available for us over here. Just below the location sharing, tap on offline maps, and all of the offline maps which you had downloaded earlier on your Google Maps application will be over here. Now in order to update a certain offline Google map, you can see this is the map I had downloaded earlier or saved for me earlier. At the right side of this map, you can see there's a three-dotted icon available for us. Tap on the three-dotted icon at the right side of that map which you want to update, and the update button is available for us over here just above the view. Tap on update, and after tapping on the update button, guys, that map will be updated according to the time which you have updated, and all of the new things that has to be added on the maps will be updated. And also you'll be required to tap on the settings button at the top right corner of the screen, and here it says auto update offline maps at the first option, and to save your space and data, only recent maps will be updated. So guys, make sure that a toggle icon is turned on for the auto update offline maps, and that offline maps will be updated time to time on your phone. And with that being said, guys, this is how to update offline Google Maps on your phone. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching, guys. Peace.